Hello everyone. Let's start creating the simple interest calculator using ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT now. Let's go to ChatGPT now. ChatGPT, and then here we go. Yeah. So this is the ChatGPT. So here we'll give a basic prompt. Hi ChatGPT. Uh, can you create a inline HTML, CSS, JS code on simple, right? Simple interest calculator, okay? With modern design and some more extension options. Yeah, so let's see what it gives back. Okay, so it is already started creating. It says there is no external library required. Just copy the result, currency selector, monthly breakdown, total amount calculation, simple interest. So yeah, so the code is ready, and what it says is premium feature you can add next is EMI calculator. So we'll look into these features later. Now let's test this. Let's preview the code. Wow, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Let me expand this. This is the beautiful calculator here. So what we need to do is select USD. Let's say it's $50,000, right? And the annual interest rate is 12%, and number of years is 1 year. So once you click on calculate, here we go. So we got calculation results. Is principal amount is 50,000. Interest earned $6,000. Total amount is $56,000. So monthly interest is around $500, and daily interest is $16.44. This is beautiful. So look the design and all. All these are this is cool. So now let's add these features as well. No, so what and all features is proposing? Compound interest calculator, SIP calculator, loan calculator, investment growth chart, currency conversion, PDF download report, share on WhatsApp, dark mode, thing inflation. This is beautiful. So let's just copy this, right? Control C, and for a website, I would recommend to combining simple compound EMI calculator in one table card. So what we'll ask, please extend this calculator to other add to by adding all the features you mentioned. Right. So spelling mistakes, I think it will take. I don't think I made any. Right. So let's extend this calculator now. Let's see what it says. It's more than 1500 line of code rather than a simple widget. So my recommendation is to structure it like features: principal rate, time, compound interest, EMI, SIP, loan, inflation, light dark mode currency. The first investment I would show, okay, display invested amount, interest, investment growth. For compound interest, the formula section could include this one. Cool. See, it's a dynamic chart. You can change the variables, and you can see the graph changing accordingly. Oh, this is cool. And here as well you can see the amount and growth, and then it comes yeah, okay, so these are the additional features. Let's see. For now, let's play this. Okay, so it has not created any calculator yet. So I will just tell it like give me like um, calculator collection, right? And where user can select any calculator and calculate the, yeah, that's it. So give a inline HTML, CSS, yeah, cool. That's it. Let's see what it does. Here's the compact structure architecture with simple interest, compound interest, EMIs, happy inflation, dark mode responses. So yeah, so this is decent. I think this much is fine. So it is creating this beautiful calculator now. Wow. I include the real calculator hub. It's finance, business, personal. So this is the next features. Let's see. Let's run the code. Wow, nice. So here there's the dark theme and light theme. Wow. Let's use the dark theme and then simple interest, compound interest, EMI, SIP, and this inflation. Let's calculate the compound interest. Click on it and enter the amount. 10,000. Interest rate is 7, and number of years is 3 years. And then calculate. Wow. Oh, it's immediate. This is beautiful. And then same simple interest, and then EMI calculator, and then SIP calculator, and then inflation. This is beautiful. Ah, cool. It also added the animation. Nice. So that's all for today, guys. So in the next video, we'll discuss on how to implement these calculators one by one, and we'll calculate few. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.